Welcome back, everybody. I'm Bill.
And I'm Karen. And we are here today to introduce a very exciting new product, aren't we, Bill?
We certainly are, Karen. You know, to the viewers at home, we've been teasing this product for quite some time now. And it's really a showstopper. It is the Damasu 950.
That's impressive.
It just makes you want to pick it up and cut something, doesn't it?
Absolutely, Bill.
You know, we've all been in the situation of having to use a traditional knife. Let's say you've got some red wine and a lovely piece of cheese, and you just want to enjoy some. But it's... It's just so frustrating.
Perhaps you two have tried to cut something and just gotten nowhere.
That's right. What about that turkey leg that just won't come off the body?
Oh.
Hey, what do you say we see what the Damasu 950 can do? Oh, look at this. It's got a 23cc engine. The blades are designed to cut omnidirectionally. All right, we just pull the pull starter. Oh, wow. Now, with power like that, this cheese doesn't stand a chance.
No way. Turn it off. Bill, turn it off.
Wow. Wow. I am jazzed. Well, let's see what else this baby can do. Karen, what else do we have to cut?
How about?
Oh, this looks delicious.
Absolutely. Oh, Bill, the guests are starving.
Well, they'll get their turkey in just a second, 10 to 15 times faster than with a traditional knife. Okay.